इयत्ता 9वी-10वीच्या मित्रांनो, आज आपण एक महत्त्वाचा नवीन पॉइंट पाहणार आहोत ट्रिग्नोमेट्री मध्ये. वन ऑफ द रेशो गिवन, त्रिकोणमितीचा एक रेशो, एक गुणोत्तर दिलेले आहे आणि हाऊ टू फाइंड आउट रिमेनिंग ऑल रेशोज, उरलेली सर्व गुणोत्तरे कशी शोधायची आहेत. आपण एक एक्झाम्पल पहा. sin of theta is equal to 4/5 हे गिवन आहे. फाइंड आउट cos theta. So we can start with the given. What is that given? Sin of theta is equal to 4/5. That is given. We have to calculate cos of theta. Theta is the acute angle and it is definitely sin theta. So remember the definition of sin theta: O upon H, opposite upon hypotenuse. So you can see that this is nothing but O upon H. And for understanding, suppose the opposite side, that is 4K, and hypotenuse is 5K. By using the property of ratio, this is ratio 4/5. So let the common multiple be K. K हे त्याचं मल्टिपल आहे असं वापरायचं. गुणक, सामायिक गुणक, अंश आणि छेद यांचा सामायिक गुणक. आणि लेट अस कन्सिडर रफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. सो इफ use that right angle triangle, and in that right angle triangle consider theta angle, and opposite side it is 4K and hypotenuse 5K. Remember the technique. आपण हे sin theta दिलेला आहे त्याच्यावरून डेफिनेशन विचारात घ्यायची आणि राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ करायचा. and you can see that is your right angle triangle. C is right angle, opposite side. So we can calculate the adjacent side to that theta. Theta ची लगतची बाजू शोधायची आणि तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की इथं पायथागोरस उपयोगी पडणार आहे. So by using that Pythagoras, what is that? AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square by using Pythagoras theorem. Now you can see that AC we are going to calculate. BC it is 4K bracket square. AB that is 5K bracket square. So we have to solve this further. You know the method. So what is that? AC square is equal to, this is 25K square, and you can take the square to the right hand side. It is 16K square. So what is the difference there? AC square is equal to 9K square. So AC is equal to square root, taking square root 3K. So you are getting the side AC, it is 3K. आता 3K ही साइड आहे. जर ही 3K साइड मिळाली आपल्याला तर that is 3K, that is adjacent side, and we know that how to calculate cos theta. Cos theta शोधता येणार आहे. cos theta ची डेफिनेशन काय? adjacent upon hypotenuse. तुमचं फायनल आन्सर येणार आहे. therefore cos theta, what is that answer here? Cos of theta is equal to A upon H. So cos of theta is equal to, what is the adjacent side? 3K divided by hypotenuse 5K. Therefore cos of theta is equal to 3/5. This is simple example for you. हे अगदी सोपं एक्झाम्पल आहे. आपण पायथागोरसचा वापर करू. Even though we can calculate all trigonometric ratios, sin theta given आहे, आपण cos theta find out केला. Yes, you think about tan theta. Tan theta that is O upon A. tan theta O upon A. 4k divided by 3k, it will be 4 upon 3. Cosec theta. How to find out cosec theta? H upon O. Cosec theta, H upon O. 5k upon 4k. Cancellation of k is there. 5 upon 4. Sec theta. What is that? H upon A. H upon A. Hypotenuse upon adjacent. 5k divided by 3k. It will be 5 upon 3. Cot theta, adjacent upon opposite. You know that cot theta, adjacent upon opposite, लगतची बाजू आणि समोरची बाजू. 3k upon 4k. What is the answer? 3 upon 4. तर या टाइपचं एक्झाम्पल करताना तुम्ही कोणती मेथड वापरायची ते डिसाइड करू शकता. बाय युजिंग डायग्राम, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, आणि बाय युजिंग पायथागोरस. You can calculate all trigonometric ratios when one of the ratio is given. यामध्ये हे तुम्हाला करता येणार आहे. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल काय होणार आहे? tan theta. tan theta ची डेफिनेशन आठवायची. tan theta म्हणजे काय होणार? O upon A. म्हणजे हाच याच टाइपचा ट्रायंगल आपण लक्षात घ्यायचा आहे आणि ते सॉल्व्ह करायचं आहे. आपण सेकंड एक्झाम्पल पण सॉल्व करायचा प्रयत्न करूया. इन द सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, tan theta that is equal to given 8 upon 50. We have to remember the definition of tan theta. Tan opposite upon adjacent. So definitely this is opposite and this is adjacent side. Let the opposite side, that is equal to 8k, and this is adjacent side, let it be equal to 15k. K is the common multiple. K हा common multiple घ्यायचा आणि same diagram. Consider that angle theta acute angle. Let the opposite side, it is equal to 8k. This is 8k, and adjacent side it is 15k. So we have to calculate the remaining third side, that is hypotenuse here. We can use the Pythagoras there. So what is that? AC square. What is that AC square? It is 15k bracket square plus BC square. It is 8k bracket square is equal to AB square by using Pythagoras. You know that square plus 64k square. This is AB square. What is the total there? 289k square. That is AB square. You can take the square root. So what is that? AB is equal to 17k. So you are getting hypotenuse there. So what is the side AB? It is equal to 17k. And see that what is the question there? Find out sin theta, find out cos theta, find out sec theta, find out cosec theta. You can find out by using this table. Very interesting to find out what is the first question there. Sin theta. Remember that sin theta O upon H. So what is your answer? Opposite 8k upon hypotenuse 17k. So what is the answer there? 18 upon 17. Second question, find out cos theta. What is that? Cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Remember, adjacent is 15k divided by 17k is equal to 15 upon 17. Third one, sec theta. Sec theta. You know that sec theta is equal to, what is that? H upon A. H upon A. H upon A. What is hypotenuse there? 17k. And what is the adjacent side? 15k. What is the final answer? 17 upon 15. Cosec theta. That is your last question. Cosec theta is equal to h upon O. What is the hypotenuse? 17k. And what is the opposite side? 8k. So 17k upon 8k is equal to 17 upon 8. We can find out all remaining trigonometric ratios when one of the ratio is given. This is your second example. Now third one, very interesting example. आपण तेही सॉल्व करायचं आहे. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल मध्ये इंटरेस्टिंग इक्वेशन इज गिवन. यू कॅन सी दॅट 5 sin theta minus 12 cos theta is equal to 0 गिवन. याच्या पूर्वीच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये डायरेक्ट वन ऑफ द रेशो गिवन आहे. थेट एक रेशो दिलेला होता. इथं दोन रेशो आहेत, त्याच्यामधलं रिलेशन दिलेलं आहे. सो वी कॅन स्टार्ट विथ द गिवन. व्हॉट इज गिवन देयर? 5 sin theta minus 12 cos theta is equal to 0 given. So we know that 5 sin theta is equal to 12 cos theta. समीकरणाचे नियम आहेत इक्वेशनचे, त्या मेथडने बघायचं. या दोघांचा डिफरन्स 0 आहे म्हणजे ते दोन्ही इक्वल आहेत. आणि आफ्टर दॅट इफ वी ट्राय टू फाइंड आउट sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to 12 upon 5. And now it is very interesting. We have to remember that sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Identity ह्या सगळ्या आठवायला पाहिजे. sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So this is nothing but tan theta. And tan theta is equal to 12 upon 5. You can write reason here. We know that sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. So we are getting tan theta there. Tan theta तुम्हाला मिळाला 12 upon 5. Find out all trigonometric ratios. तुम्हाला tan theta मिळाला सुद्धा. Tan theta is equal to, what is the answer? Tan theta is equal to 12 upon 5. 12 upon 5. And when you are getting tan theta, you can write down cot theta. What is the relation there? You know that tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. And tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. And cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So what is that? Cot theta is nothing but 1 upon tan theta. So it will be like this, 5 upon 12. Now tan theta is calculated. And again we can use the Pythagoras. What is the method there? This is calculated. Tan of theta is equal to 12 upon 5. And 12 upon 5, this is opposite. This is adjacent. And opposite, let it be equal to 12k. And adjacent 5k. Construct right angle triangle. And taking theta acute angle. What is the opposite side? Let it be equal to 12k and adjacent side 5k, and find out hypotenuse by using Pythagoras. So what is that? AC. AC is 5. 5k. You can substitute here 5k. What is the square? 25k square. And what about BC square? It will be 144k square. So you are getting AB square. What is that? AB square is equal to, what is the total there? 169k square. That is AB square. You can take the square root. This is 13k. So this is AB. You are getting AB is equal to, what is the result? 13k. AB is equal to 13k. You are finding. Now you can definitely find out sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 12k upon 13k. What is the meaning? That is 12 upon 13. This is 12 upon 13. And when you are getting sin theta, remember that you can find out cosec theta. Reason, it is, what is the identity? Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. So that is definitely we can write down cosec theta by using this 13 upon 12, that is cosec theta. And what about cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, 5k upon 13k. So 5 upon 13, that is your answer, 5 upon 13. And if you know cos theta, remember the identity, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. So definitely sec theta is nothing but, what is the inverse here? 13 upon 5. So very interesting example for you. This is, what is that? Difference is given. 5 sin theta minus 12 cos theta given. First we can calculate tan theta. After that we can calculate cot theta by using right angle triangle, using Pythagoras. We know that opposite side 12k, suppose adjacent side 5k. Calculate hypotenuse by using Pythagoras. After that write down sin theta, find out cosec theta, write down cos theta, find out sec theta. Very interesting example for you. आपण ही सर्वांनी तयारी करायची. व्हिडिओज लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा.